Hi, my name is Carl. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Walking through Walmart the other day, I found this 4-in-1 knife and tool sharpener. Why not give it a shot, huh? I believe I paid like $5 for it. Made by AccuSharp. It's a 4-in-1 knife sharpener. www.AccuSharp.com. See, save this card for future reference. Probably won't do that. Okay, this is made in Fortune Products Inc. 2010A Windy Terrace, Cedar Park, Texas 78613. Assembled in the USA with domestic and globally sourced parts, which means that everything was made in foreign country and just put together here in the US. Copyright 2017, Fortune Products Inc., all rights reserved. Okay, the USBN number 0158960000287. I'll give you a closer look up on that if you want to scan that. Some of you like scanning those things. There we go. Alright, let's give you a closer view of this package here. Let's do it sideways. One thing that stands out about it is the orange color. Easily found if you put it in your toolbox or your glove box of your car or truck. Tackle box, anything like that. Being the orange color, it'd be easy to spot. Other than another brand that's very popular that has gray plastic. Anyway. Kind of thick plastic. And something's magnetic in there. Something is magnetic in there. I don't know what it is. Okay, here's the size of it. Palm of my hand. We have coarse and fine. Ceramic rods being fine, and we have for serrated edges and a file right here on the bottom for fish hooks. Just hear that pop into place. Now I don't have a fish hook near me. I don't really do a lot of fishing. Probably haven't been fishing in 10 years. But get your fish hook and sharpen it up on this blade right here. Diamond coated blade. Or you could use that to sharpen other things like, I don't know, you sharpen your knives with it. And close that up. That was magnetic right there. You heard that, right? Keep it closed in there. That's where that magnet's hiding inside there. This is for cutting your serrated edges. Oops, there we go. What you do on this, if your serrated edge knife, kitchen knife, as you're cutting, you need to turn this as you're cutting. In each one of the serrations, and of course it has different length right here. And look right here. Has a little groove right here. I'm sure that's for sharpening your fish hooks. Right there. Right there's the groove. Or as I saw somebody else do, he sharpens his darts in the groove. So let's get that closed up. It's got 3 little rubber feet on the bottom, keep it from sliding. Looks like you can take this apart. It has 2 Phillips head screws. So you can replace those rods and stones, and or just flip them around, or just whatever you need to do or like to do, or whatever you want to play with. Got a lanyard hole. Got little grippies right here for your fingers. Like I said, I like the color because you can find it easy. Got a knife here that we've been using previous videos, and Got a rock here. Watch this. Can you hear that? I'm dulling that blade up. Don't do this with your wife's good knives. Or don't let her catch you doing it anyway. There we go. Put that big rock aside. That's definitely not sharp now. See there? Don't do that at home either. I'm going to start out with the coarse side since it's already dull as can be. Now what you'll notice, this knife here, how it's manufactured and made, you can't sharpen it all the way to the end due to this space right here. You see that's probably 1/4 of an inch, 3/16 of an inch or so. This blade will not go all the way in there. So we'll do what we can with it. Let's see, I'm going to pull this back 10 times. Get that on a solid piece of the table here. 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, this workbench I'm using is the DeWalt workbench. It's foldable, collapsible. Like it a lot. If you get a chance to see these workbenches, check them out. They're about 60 or 70 bucks. Folds up nicely. Let's see, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's still pretty dull. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I can't tell that's getting any sharper at all. It's a little bit smoother in the sound as it's coming through though. You'll notice when I get towards the tip here, I'm kind of turning my hand up like this so I get the tip sharpened. Six, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, let's go over to the ceramic. Now listen to the sound. Hear how rough that sounds? You'll tell the difference after I go through it a few more times. Hear how the grinding sound is going away a little bit at a time. Has a little squeal to it. There we go. Let's try that out. Doesn't feel very sharp, but we're going to try it anyway. Got a piece of copier paper here. See how sharp this thing is right now. Cut the paper. Took a minute to get it started. Had to find a sweet spot, so up here is not as sharpened as much as it is down here. Let's run this thing through a few more times. Let's go 10 more times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2, 3, 4, 5. Check this out. Definitely sharper. Definitely. And remember how I took it on top of that rock? So, it is sharpening the knife. It's not a great sharpener, but it will be a good sharpener to keep in your toolbox, keep in the glove compartment of your car, throw it in your, I don't know, your toolbox at work. If you have to loan it to a friend and forget to get it back, not a problem. Made by AccuSharp, AccuSharp. Next time you're in Walmart, check this out. You might want one, you might not want one, I don't know. But I showed you they do work. My name is Carl. Appreciate it. Leave some kind of comment in the section below. Do some little bit of interaction. Appreciate it if you leave a comment in the section below. We'll have a little bit of discussion going on about this thing. Thanks for watching.